Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Toyota RAV4 tail light. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a new replacement bulb, and some protective gloves. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Next, open the rear hatch of your RAV4 to gain easy access to the tail light assembly. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's access the tail light assembly. You'll find two retaining screws positioned on the inner edge of the tail light, visible once the hatch is open. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew and remove both of these fasteners. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle body. It should slide out smoothly, revealing the bulb sockets behind it. With the assembly detached, it's time to replace the bulb. Identify the specific bulb that needs replacing. Usually, it's the larger one for the tail light. Twist the bulb socket approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from the tail light housing. Gently pull the old, faulty bulb straight out of its socket. Now, take your new bulb and firmly push it straight into the socket until it's securely seated. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the housing and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle body and push it firmly forward until it snaps into position. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier, tightening them snugly but not excessively. Finally, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm your new tail light is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.